Welcome back, everyone. Going to be showing you guys in this episode how you can go ahead and add text to your existing SharePoint site. So if you want to go ahead and add text, if you just bring up your site that you want to make changes to, so make sure you bring up the correct page. Right now I'm on the home page of my communication site that we made in our previous episode. And if we come over to edit, once this loads, it'll give us the ability to edit all of our sections, all of our existing web parts. And if we just want to go ahead and add that new text, say I want to add text underneath this banner up here, all we have to do is we just go ahead and click on the plus icon. So as you scroll around, you'll see this plus icon where it says add a new web part in column 1. Once we click on that, it'll bring up all of the different web parts. So the one that we're looking for to be able to go ahead and add that text option is right there called text. If you don't see it in the top section, you can just go ahead and search for it or scroll down and it should appear here in the text, media, and content section. And it's right here. So if we go ahead and click on that, it'll bring up this text box where we can go ahead and we could change the heading. So we could change, say we want a huge header to go ahead and place towards the top of our text section. And then once we skip a line, it should go back to normal, which it did. From here, we can go ahead and we can bolden any text. We can add italics, underline it. We can change the color, highlight. I mean, you could do anything that you could think of here when it comes to editing your text. Think of how you edit an email. It's very similar to that. In addition to that, you can also add images here where it says insert image. We can insert a table and we could even duplicate it. So if we have a text box here and we want to add something similar or make some slight changes towards the bottom of the page, we could just go ahead and click on that duplicate option. Or we can go ahead and click here to remove it. In addition to that, we can go ahead and we could do move web part and we can just kind of drag it to a different section of our site in case we don't want it where we initially placed it. And that's how you add text to your SharePoint site.